Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to my mini-series on property tax assessments in New Brunswick. Today we're diving deeper into the arbitration process, an important step if you're disputing your property taxes. Let's get started. First, let's clarify what arbitration is. Arbitration is a process where a neutral third party, called an arbitrator, reviews the evidence and makes a decision on your property tax assessment. It's a less formal alternative to going to court and often faster and less expensive if you're not satisfied with the decision from Service New Brunswick about your property tax appeal. Remember, you must first go through the initial appeal process with Service New Brunswick before you can opt for arbitration. Preparation is key. Gather all relevant documents such as your initial assessment notice, any correspondence with Service New Brunswick, and evidence supporting your claim. This evidence can include comparable property assessments, professional appraisals, and even photographs. Once you initiate arbitration, an arbitrator will be appointed. Both you and the assessor will present your case. The arbitrator will then review the evidence and make a decision, which is usually binding. Be concise. The arbitrator may agree with your assessment, agree with Service New Brunswick, or set a new assessment amount. Their decision is typically final, but in rare cases, it can be appealed to the Court of King's Bench. Be concise and clear in presenting your case. Stick to the facts and avoid emotional arguments. It's also wise to seek legal counsel or representation, especially for complex cases. Arbitration can be an effective way to resolve your property tax assessment dispute. Remember, it's about presenting a strong, evidence-based case. For more detailed information on this process, visit the New Brunswick government's website or consult a legal professional. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share, and follow along for more insightful content on property tax assessments in New Brunswick. See you in the next video.